Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today just got done driving. Now I'm going to be reviewing this 2016 Toyota Sienna minivan for you. So let's take a peek. This Sienna minivan is the XLE trim, has leather seats. Kind of pan around the inside, then we'll go into some more specifics of what kind of options this has here. Okay. Start here in the center cluster. There is 55,626 miles on it. There's not a single warning light of any concern on there. Overall, checks out good there. Brakes felt good in going down the road. Does have remote mirrors, heated mirrors, and the blind spot monitoring in the mirrors, where it'll tell you if there's someone in your blind spot. The amber identicator will pop up on the mirror for you there. Controls for the mirrors are here. Locks controls, has automatic door locks. Windows are all automatic as well. You can turn on and off that blind spot monitoring right here, traction control right here. And then you can also control off, this has power rear sliding doors. You can turn that off right here if you don't want the kids to be able to push those buttons and open the doors. On the steering wheel itself, it has radio controls for volume and tuning, as well as hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your cell phone through this car's audio system. Controls on this side are for your center display cluster right there. It is a push button start. On the key fob itself, you have controls to lock and unlock the doors, as well as open those power sliding doors and the rear doors as well. Over here it does have your radio, AM, FM, XM radio, as well as Bluetooth connectivity right there on the radio, and a CD player. Center shifter here with the ability to get into the lower gears individually. Heating and air conditioning controls down here. It is a 3 climate control system here, where you can control the driver, the passenger, and the rear temperature, all from here. Now there is controls in the rear for them as well. Coming down here, does have heated seats up here for the front 2 seats, a USB port and an auxiliary port for audio, as well as a 12-volt power socket. Overall, all the nooks and crannies look really clean. So you can see here, I did pull up the history report. 2 previous owners, scores well, never been in an accident. All right, let's check out the rear here, or the outside I should say, and then we'll check out the rear. Tires look to be in good shape, has 17-inch alloy wheels, a lot of tread left on the tires themselves. Full painted Sienna, the bumpers, everything's going to be painted on this. It's a higher trim package. Again, 2016. Front windshield looks good, free of chips. Coming down the side here, like I said, does have the power doors on the side. Just pull the handle and open it comes. There's also a button right here for once you're inside to close or open the door. Seats 8 in this, 3 in this section, and 3 in the back section, 2 up front for a total of 8. These seats fold up so you can get into that back 3rd row really easily. The beautiful thing about sliding doors compared to like an SUV where the door swings open is the kids aren't going to bump the car with their door as they open up the door in the parking lot. You know how that goes, so never goes well. Power rear liftgate as well. These rear seats fold down into this compartment here for extra cargo space if needed. And to lower and raise the power lift gate, just hit the button. There's also the control on your keyless entry. Passenger side, again, you have sliding door on this side to get into the rear, so easy access to the extra seating compartment in this van. Overall, really great minivan, low miles on it for the year. Definitely has the reliability with the Toyota name, and really checks out really good inside. Now, if this is something you're looking at, I recommend you give us a call. There's links below of how to contact us, and as always, you're always welcome to come in the dealership. You can set up an appointment to come see this and make a test drive on it if it's something you wish. Overall, if this is what you're looking for, this is a really great van, great price on it as well. Financing is available. Beautiful thing about financing is you can do it right from your home. Just click on the link below. And always, if you have a trade-in, we love an opportunity to make you an offer on it, and you can get started right on the link below, right from home. Thanks for watching, everyone.